Welcome to my channel, you guys, and welcome back if you are already a subscriber. If you are not a subscriber, as usual, I'm gonna please request that you hit the subscriber button below. Join me each week for Dollar Tree hauls, organization videos, walkthroughs, and home tours. There's some construction going on next door to me, and they're playing their music loud too. I have a very medium-sized Dollar Tree haul for you, and I'm going to jump right into it. I finally found the felt hearts, and you guys, these make the most beautiful placemats, and they're cheaper than if you buy the placemats at Ross or Marshall's or wherever. Yeah, I know they're a little bit like flimsy, but it's just for looks, really. Let's face it, you're not going to leave that there while you're eating, right? No. So got the pink, got the red, and these ones I'm actually using for my studio for this month's decor. Okay, I couldn't pass up this cute little gnome. I found him in with those, what do we call this stuff again? I don't even know why. I can't remember what it's called. I'll put it on the screen, but look at the gnome, he's so cute. So I had to add him to my gnome collection for Valentine's. Yep, do you hear that? Yeah. This is my life. It could be any day that I'm not going to be filming and it'll be perfectly quiet, but yeah, it's just Murphy's Law, y'all. Finally found some of these St. Patrick's Day socks, and I love the rainbow one with the little pot of gold down at the bottom. It's kind of hard to see, but it's there. And these are like the, you know, ones that kind of come up mid-calf. But they're nice socks too. You know, they are Dollar Tree socks. They have the Greenbrier name on the back. And then these ones, you guys, my daughter is going to love these, my oldest daughter, because she did Irish dance for years, and even her name is Irish. So she's gonna really love those. So I got those. And then I picked up this, I know this is a little kind of random and out of order, but I did find the heart-shaped baking pan for $1.25. And I wanted to pick one of those up because I think that's a real score. I have not used these before, but you know, they are, they look like they're pretty good quality. So there's that. And then found the books finally and just picked up this one. And you guys, I am glad that I did not, or that I did pick up the ones from Hobby Lobby, because these ones are a little cheaply made. This is like lifting in the back, but I can add a little glue to that and put something on top of it in a tiered tray, and it's gonna look just fine. So those are cute. Got those. And these little farmhouse pictures, I have seen them in the past, like last year, but I didn't pick them up. But now I was really feeling like I wanted them because I'm taking my kitchen totally farmhouse. It was kind of a mix before. So I got this one with the chicken or rooster. Yeah, really cute. And I got this one with the tractor and the farmer's market with the cow. And I bought this one with the farm to table little red barn. So cute. So there was one other one, but I didn't get that one because it didn't look farmhouse to me. And then they have these new candle, but I'm not going to use them for that. These are great for DIYs for anything, but particularly I think for a tiered tray, because you have this small base here and it doesn't take up a lot of space on your tray. So you probably would be best to flip them over. These also would make some pretty cool large lids for like a jar or something. I don't know. Maybe it's too big. I don't know. And then this last random item is that little trash can for your car. It fits right into your little cup holder thing, and there goes a really loud noise, so I'm gonna pause for a sec. I have some brand new Easter items that I'm super excited about, and I've been finding things here and there And I know that you guys have been finding the same one. So it feels like Dollar Tree is kind of rolling them out in the same order at most of our stores nationwide. But there's the bunny. And you guys remember, they've been doing these signs every season. So I guess these are going to become the seasonal, you know, sign, DIY sign, because you have to do something to it. But they have these little cutouts at the top, but they're really long. I would assume this is probably, I'm going to go out on a limb and think like 20 inches high. And this one's in the natural wood. And then the other one I found, and I think they're only doing like a couple per season. Like Christmas was, I think, a snowflake, and that was a blue sign, and then a Christmas tree, which was a green sign. And in the fall, they did some other ones as well with pumpkin cutouts and stuff. But this one's got the egg, and it's in this kind of Tiffany blue. So keep your eye out for those, because I do think they are a good score, considering I've been looking around a lot at different craft stores, Joann, Michael's, and I think what Dollar Tree's doing is very comparable to what they're doing. And everybody seems to be kind of like following all the trends. This is the most adorable. It is a bunny tail, bunny rear end, bunny butt. Isn't that cute? I love this. So adorable. So I got that in the pink. They have it with the blue feet. So that would be so cute as well for any kind of spring baby shower, or not even a spring baby shower, just if you're doing some type of woodland animal baby shower or bunny. And then there's the bunny feet. And of course, these will be adorable on a wreath. And I got them in the pink too. And then they have the little pink on the bottom on the foot. So I grabbed those in just the pink. And then these egg picks. I got this one. This is the only two colors I could find in my store that looked like the rest of them were already cleaned out. I figured that's going to happen. And I love these egg picks. You get 4 of them, and you don't have to keep them on the stick. You can just pull them off if you want, but they've got like this baker's twine type of look to them. And I'll be looking for other colors, but I found this, I guess assuming lavender, and then the green. So there's that. And then I also found these. Let me grab these really quick. You guys, you know they've been doing the Pom-Poms, Pom-Pom garlands, and they did it again for Easter. These ones are a little smaller. They're calling it Pom-Pom trim on these, so that's probably why. And I've only ever seen it really in white, but guess what? Pink, of course, yellow, blue, like soft blue, baby blue, powder blue, whatever you want to call it, and this green. Now, I do wish they would have done lavender, because I feel like they should have done all the Easter colors, but that's okay. I'm still very happy with what they've done. So here they are. Super, super amazing. And these are going to bring a lot of cool DIY ideas for me. So there's those. I also picked up a bag of the Pom-Poms. These will be great for bunny tails. These are, I think, the medium size. They had some bigger ones, but I just grabbed these. And I do think I'm going to grab the larger ones still. We'll see. I'm going to look around and see if I can find a bigger bag of them for a better price. And then these are like a repeat from last year, but I figured I will buy some more because they're carrots and they're adorable. That's why. And they're great for DIYs. I do need to get my Easter and spring DIY supplies out of hibernation so I can see what I have to work with. But yeah, these would make really great garland. And I do believe that Dollar Tree does a carrot garland, but they're kind of small. So there's those. And then these little wood items we've got, they keep calling them ornaments. You get 14 pieces. I grabbed the little baby chicks Let me turn them this way so you can see them. And then I picked up the bunnies. And I think I have the eggs from last year. So again, I need to assess what I have so that I'm not, you know, doing constant repeats of things. Although, you know, you can never have enough. Okay, these I do not remember seeing last year. Maybe that's because I just missed them and came late to the game. Who knows? But these are the, they're just calling them DECOR, but they're Easter eggs. And they have the little slats. And I love that. These could be used, if you have a tree and you have a bigger tree, they could be used as ornaments, okay? But, what did I say they were called? Oh, just DECOR. The nice thing is, they have pink. They have yellow. They have blue. And you get 2 of them to a package, or pack. And they have the lavender or purple. They don't have green, but that's okay. Again, I really feel like they are upping their game with these, adding different colors to stuff. And yeah, it's just, I'm telling you, I've been looking around and really, they're doing well on their Easter DIY items because they are more expensive everywhere. These I thought were just amazingly cute. They are calling them ornaments, and they're doing the monogram letters. And look at them, you guys. Bunny ears, bunny tail. This is my, of course, Becky. And then I got this one for Savannah. And they had quite a few of the letters, but I think the only vowel you can find pretty much is an A right now. So maybe they'll bring in more so that if you want to spell something out, you can. Or you want to insert it into the middle of a word, you can. But right now, it's just going to be these consonants. But still, super cute. And then these wood pieces. I got 2 of the eggs. And they've been doing this for every season. Again, they did hearts for Valentine's. They did Christmas trees. And I don't remember what else for Christmas. Got the bunny. I did forget this with my Valentine's stuff. I was going to use it for, I don't know. I might put some florals or something in it. Or I might just use it to give away as a gift package. Gift basket. Oh my goodness. Now, I wanted to show you these wood cutout DIY pieces. We've got the bunny. And I think they did this one last year. Oops, I have it the wrong way. Because it has this additional layer of the tail. Which, you know, you could use that or you could just put this on. Up to you. But that works too. And then the sign says Bunny Trail. And I thought this was adorable. See this? But isn't this a cute sign? Love it. You could just fill this bunny trail part in here, like with some paint markers or anything, you know, anything. And then just paint these. I don't know. You can take this off and use it. And then this one. I don't remember seeing this one last year either, but again, it probably was out. I just didn't see it. But I love the bunny tail, the bunny rear end with the feet. I think it's so cute. That's definitely something I'll be using a lot in my decor. Okay, this was what I've been looking for. My mouth was like dropped open when I saw them, and I was like, oh my gosh, there they are. You guys, I found them. I found the beaded garland. Here's the carrots. What? Look at this. It's a little carrot on the end. The orange beads. And you guys, these are long. Let me see if they tell you how long they are. I don't know. I don't see that. It just says wood, bead, jute, garland. But just if I had to take a guess, I'm going to say 18 maybe. Maybe 20? I don't know. Probably, I would say 20 because, and then look at this tassel in the green. I'm in love with this. I bought 2 of these. So there's the carrot, and I also found the little baby chick. Guys, these are so cute. And then on the little tassels, they even added in some pretty little like gingham ribbon. I think it's gingham. Yep. And then you guys, the beads alone are worth at least $1.25. You guys know how expensive beads can get. And I mean, yeah, you can paint your own beads, but why would you want to do that if you can just, why would you even want to make your own beaded garland if you could just get that? And then this one, which is one of my faves. It's got the little pink bunny at the end. It's painted on both sides. It's got the tassel with the pink gingham, the blue and pink, and kind of like an aqua. This is just, I'm super, I don't even have a word for it. Bought this for Savannah, dog mom, for Valentine's. Obviously, I will probably give it to her early because she watches my videos. So that's cute. And they had a bunch of other dog, like table decor, as well as signs for your wall. But I just got this one thing. I thought these were gorgeous. And they did have these last year and I didn't pick them up. So picked them up this year. They're just really pretty, like with a rose gold tint to them, like metal. I don't even know how to explain them, but so pretty. And these are brand new. I have never seen these before and I love them because I like that they're not backed, they're outlined with black. So I went ahead and got 2 packages of those. I'm gonna try to show you guys. So yeah, these are gonna be great for DIYs as well. I really love what I found for Easter, but I know there's a lot more to come. And I'm really looking forward to watching all of the Easter DIYs that I see on YouTube. So please subscribe, please like this video because it helps me to grow my channel, share so that I can grow my subscriber base. And you guys always stay hopeful, always stay positive, and above all, stay kind. It really does matter. Bye you guys, see you next time.